So let's start today's drawing. For that I will do plus sign, and then I will create circle. So from here to here, and this is the middle point. From this line, I'm going to draw alphabet U. Not really big, small, cute version, because we are trying to draw a baby style. So this is the line. I will pull this line a little bit in. And this is the piece I got now. I will curve this one. So first I will be here. Second eye I will draw here, and mouth will be here somewhere, or you can put it a little bit down. From here I will draw one small cute U. Other one we cannot see. If you can see, draw a small one here. From here I will draw one line, tilted. If I want this much big wing or long wing, this side will be smaller than this line. You can think like that, and in the middle you can divide this way. So from here to here we have to curve. This is the first one, or the back one, and from here, same point, we have to go and curve this one. So if you see any corner or sharp edges, try to curve them. I'm curving this one too. And I will make one small one from the back over here. Now from this side, it's going to be tiny one over here. And from here, it's going to be also tiny, but not that much tiny. A little bit bigger than this one. And it will come from inside. Now we can do random circles over here. Small and big, whatever you like. And you can draw long U's over here. And some curvy lines here.